I'm Tony from Marketcall Affiliate Network, and I'm so glad to share our case how to launch Google Call only and how to earn $5,000 with pay-per-call in Google AdWords with Marketcall, of course. So let's get it. The ability to run an advertising campaign in Google with the purpose of calls gives us an exclusively mobile placement only. After clicking on the phone number or call button, the OS interface of the mobile device corrects the phone number and initializes the call. It's very simple and cool, thanks to Google. Let's consider an example of launching such an advertising campaign with the offer auto insurance. Yeah, you can see the offer with pleasant payouts, $20. This offer is ready to buy 100 calls daily. The only thing that confuses is location. Yep, only California. But I'll tell later why it's still normal. In general, the potential is great, so let's get it. What about creation of advertising campaign? We collect semantics. This is the most basic in any search case, but nobody tells us about the collection methodology. First of all, we want to study the auto insurance. What people like in California, what search queries or similar queries are in the region. Thus, we collected about 20 basic phrase masks, which eventually became the main ones in the case. Of course, we can take and burn out 20, but it will not be right. I will say that auto insurance was included in the masks. Car insurance, vehicle insurance, and different types of insurance. Everything is logical. What about keyword selection? After collecting all keys for all masks, we begin to chain the unnecessary words and within the same table begin to form all headings. In case the search phrase exceeded the number of letters characters in the header, then the most relevant headings was inserted through the template. If the request requires adaptation, simply bring it into a proper form. At launch, we use two types of text to describe the company's activities. You can see here about our creation. And what about main semantics? Yes, it took us a few days to prepare semantics, and I must say we did it well. Next, start the campaign in Google AdWords, and you need a phone number. In the Marketcall, of course, and you should make sure that the program at Marketcall Affiliate Network is confirmed. Anyway, you can write your manager, for example, me, I'm Tony, and ask me everything. Important. Since we are working in California, the region code must match the provider. We add Google Partners Map, Google Play, specify location California. We decided to stick to the strategy of a broader geo-targeting and choose Google's recommendations. People in or who show interest in your target locations. Show ads to everyone who had been in the region or was interested in it, and thus we expand the potential audience of Google. Great, yep. You can see here offer creation. Do you remember that we collected keys early and didn't sleep? So we need it right here. One line in the table is one ad. Knowing how the automatic unloading of all variables in Google works crookedly, we decided to create it all by hand. It should be noticed that they spend much less time than it seems at first. Nevertheless, at the start of the campaign, we had 2,224 ads. Yeah, can you imagine? We noticed an interesting thing. In the interface, there was a parameter called campaign score, and it appeared well in beta mode. In general, we thought that we will press the button money, but not. We didn't have traffic for almost all ads. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, really? We called Google and shocked. Yeah, you can see 2,224 advertising campaigns and no results. Why, God, why? We have the keyword quality factor in the algorithm, which is a product of three factors, namely the expected CTR, automatically the indicator displayed by Google, the relevance of the ad itself, and the quality of the target pages. And here we have a problem. In the advertising campaign for the goal, there is no variable. The landing page, because Google put 0. Excellent. Excellent. QoS quality is 0. From there, we didn't have traffic. What about solution of the problem? We didn't think for a long time. Each group was added a click advertisement to Google to land the landing page and began to twist their gears in order to expose the unputted coefficient to us. And then the traffic went. Woohoo! We immediately sprinkled good coverage. I got somewhere different QoS. We started simply to cut down some traffic messages and left a call only, and where they left both. But the landing page wasn't so good, and in the end we didn't have any traffic ads. The whole story we turned from 10 of August to 29 of August this year, of course, and received these figures. We spent $1,957. The average conversation cost is $7. Quantity of lost calls is 10%, and average CTR is 2.4%. Results in Marketcall platform. Yep, you can see that $20 is the cost of phone call for affiliate. 249 incoming phone leads, $4,980 of payouts in our system to our webmaster, and ROI 154.4%. Cool, really? Yeah, thank you guys. The main issue was with semantics and keyword QoS, but we managed this problem. Hope it was useful for you. Good profits, guys. Bye bye.